Hi, this is Rich from A1 Foundation Crack Repair, here with my friend Peter Marshall from Marshall Insurance. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
A question that comes up is, as it relates to insurance, is actual replacement cost or depreciated value replacement or cost. Tell us the difference in what people should look for and look out for and be aware of.
Sure. So nowadays, the standard homeowners policy covers the house on a replacement cost basis. And what that means is they're not accounting for depreciation. It's whatever the cost is to rebuild the house today, to put up the same house that was there prior to the loss, or to repair the damage with similar materials as were there before the loss. With actual cash value, there's depreciation. So if the house is 20 years old, and the house burns to the ground, you're not going to get the full replacement cost, the cost of labor and materials to rebuild the house. What you're going to get is that minus 20 years worth of depreciation.
It's kind of like, you buy a piece of wood, a 2x4 for $4 or $5 today. Back when the house was built, it was only $2. There's a difference in price, and it equates also to the replacement of the house. So
Correct.
you want to
Right.
make sure you have
Right.
replacement cost.
Yeah, and if you are with a standard insurance company such as a Travelers or a Safety, Norfolk and Dedham, you're automatically going to have replacement cost on the dwelling. It's not a question. The only time you wouldn't have replacement cost is if you're with a non-standard company. And the only time you would be with a non-standard insurance company is if there's an issue with the home, such as it suffered damage and you never repaired it, or the electrical system hasn't been updated, or the roof needs to be repaired. Then you can't get standard insurance, and then you would likely have actual cash value.
Sounds good. Thank you for your information, Peter.
Thank you.